Brennan on the Moor, published in 1908 by P.W. Joyce. Tis of a brave young highwayman, this story I will tell. His name was Willie Brennan, and in Ireland he did dwell. 'Twas on the Kilwood mountain he commenced his wild career, and many a wealthy nobleman before him shook with fear. It was Brennan on the Moor, Brennan on the Moor, bold, brave, and undaunted was young Brennan on the Moor. One day upon the highway as Willie he went down, he met the mayor of Cashel, a mile outside of town. The mayor, he knew his features, and he said, "Young man," said he, "your name is Willie Brennan, you must come along with me." And it's Brennan on the Moor, Brennan on the Moor, bold, brave, and undaunted was young Brennan on the Moor. Now Brennan's wife had gone to town, provisions for to buy, and when she saw her Willie, she commenced to weep and cry. Said, "Hand to me that 10-penny." And soon as Willie spoke, she handed him a blunderbuss from underneath her cloak. And it's Brennan on the Moor, Brennan on the Moor, bold, brave, and undaunted was young Brennan on the Moor. Now Brennan got his blunderbuss, my story I'll unfold. He caused the mayor to tremble and deliver up his gold. 5,000 pounds were offered for his apprehension there, but Brennan and the peddler to the mountain did repair. And it's Brennan on the Moor, Brennan on the Moor, bold, brave, and undaunted was young Brennan on the Moor. Now Brennan is an outlaw on some mountain high, with infantry and cavalry to take him they did try. But he laughed at them and scorned them until it was said, by a false-hearted woman he was cruelly betrayed. Brennan on the Moor, Brennan on the Moor, bold, brave,